Hello everybody, mic check, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Namaskaram, I am Kavya Sarath and I will be your MC, and along with me today, you're going to see a lot of young artists who are going to be coming and also, trying to be MCs. So, can I get a big round of encouragement and applause for all these MCs who are going to be coming throughout the day? And that itself talks about Aroha, which is nothing but budding and encouraging young artists. And just the fact that I pulled a new person, Sanvi, can we give a big round of applause to Sanvi for agreeing to MC as soon as she walked into this door. So, with that, I welcome all of you to our flagship event, Aroha 2026. On behalf of Sadhana Academy for Musical Arts, it gives me absolute pleasure in welcoming the most beautiful audience, artists, teachers, musicians, young talent, everybody here. On a Sunday morning, all of you have gathered here at Kane Hall, and we are bringing to life music, learning, collaboration, and community. And that's exactly what Aroha brings together. The word Aroha means an ascent, an upward journey. It beautifully reflects what we hope to create through this music festival, a space where young musicians can take their next step, where emerging artists can be heard, where audiences can deepen their appreciation, and where our musical community can grow together. The Sadhana Academy for Musical Arts is a Seattle-based non-profit organization founded in 2025 by Sharmila Muralidharan. Can we get a big round of applause for Sharmila here, who has, I cannot even tell you, worked so hard to make this two-day festival come alive. And she's very shy, she's always behind the curtains, but I think huge kudos to Sharmila for gathering all of us today. Thank you, Sharmila, for all your work towards the community. And she has the support and encouragement of other fellow musicians, teachers, rasikas, parents, volunteers, and members of this beautiful community. Sadhana was founded with a deeply felt purpose, which is to nurture and sustain the living tradition of Indian classical music. As an academy, Sadhana seeks to place learning at the heart of its work. Its aim is to create meaningful opportunities for musical education, mentorship, performance, attentive listening, artistic exchange, and community participation. We hope to create spaces where children and young musicians are encouraged not only to perform, but to listen, learn, collaborate, explore, and understand the depth and beauty of the tradition that we all inherit. And if you ask me what the purpose and vision of Aroha is, Aroha is Sadhana's main festival, its flagship festival, and the beginning of what we hope will become a meaningful annual tradition in the Pacific Northwest. Aroha is not intended to be merely a sequence of performances. It is envisioned as a shared musical experience, one that brings together everybody together. We also hope that this festival will help young musicians experience the importance of being part of a larger musical community. Through Aroha and Sadhana's future initiatives, we hope to present more concerts, workshops, lecture demonstrations, mentor opportunities, educational programs, curated productions, and platforms for young and emerging artists. And our long-term aim is to make Aroha an annual platform known for musical depth, thoughtful curation, youth engagement, artistic excellence, and a strong sense of community. Thank you for being an excellent audience, and I am now going to hand over the mic to Anshuman to present, who these beautiful people are. Over to you, Anshuman, and can we welcome Anshu with a big round of thank you very much. Our job today to make sure that everybody on the stage feels encouraged. Thank you.
Thank you, Claudia, for that amazing introduction. So, we will be beginning the second day of Aroha with Muthuswami Dikshithar's Notaswarams, a distinctive body of compositions bringing Western melodic influences together with Sanskrit lyrics and the devotional spirit of Carnatic music. Please welcome the students of Vidushi Ragini Shrimani to this thematic group rendition. Thank you.
Good morning and namaskar everybody. First, we would like to thank Sadhana Academy so much for giving us this opportunity to perform Muthuswami Dikshit's Notu Swarams. We would like to actually take a moment here to enjoy and celebrate this Notu Swaram Kamalasana. If you would like to clap along to the accents like this, then we would love for you to join and just take this moment with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful performance. Could we get another round of applause for them? We would also like to thank Vidushi Dharani Shribani for helping the students with this beautiful performance. And there's actually two things I would like to point out. So Today actually happens to be Anvi's birthday, and she just performed. Oh. And today is also Father's Day, so I would like to give a shout out to all the fathers that are attending today.
Apologize, since this group is so mesmerizing that we thought that was the conclusion. So I think this group is going to perform. So we're going to come back and then introduce the next group. So over to this group. We are happy to thank them multiple times. Sorry about thinking it's over, but we're going to come back again. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
We would like to take a moment just to do some thank yous. Thank you first off so much to our flautist, Srikar Pilaramani, and our violinist, Shambhavi Subramana. Thank you so much to both of you for adding so much power and expertise to this concert. We would like to thank you as well for tolerating all the noise levels of the children while we were at rehearsals. We would like to thank Mona, Sarya Sipura Nagaraj for operating the tabla today. Thank you so much to Elmo and the team for the audio and making us sound so lovely today. Thank you once again, Sadhana Academy, for our opportunity to perform in this beautiful music festival. And thank you to the audience, for coming so early to listen to us and share this experience with us. Thank you. Thank you, and let's give a huge round of applause to their guru, Rajesh Mani. To have such a beautiful ensemble presenting on World Music Day. Did you all know that today was World Music Day? Okay, and World Music Day signifies concerts everywhere. It signifies summer solstice. And we are beginning the World Music Day with this beautiful performance. So thank you to the guru, thank you to the students, the parents, the rasikas, and everybody here. I'm just going to take a quick minute to read out the names of the presenters today. We have Tejashri, Vindhya, Hema Devi, Dhanyashri, Aganmuthu, Kriti, Sanvi, Pravya. Thank you for whoever was clapping. Let the clap, continue. Yes, thank you. And I will be loud enough so that the names are heard. Kriti, Sanvi, Pravya, Kirti, Riya, Anya, Aditri, Krista, Tanuj, Saisha. We have Shambhavi on violin, Shrikar birthday today. There is one more announcement. We actually have coffee, tea, juice, breakfast available outside. It's all catered today by Dakshina's Kitchen, which is a restaurant in Capitol Hill, Seattle. It's actually very close to the area. So they are outside right now. So if anybody is feeling peckish, hungry, please feel free to step outside and grab a quick bite. They accept Zelle, cash, all the other good payments out there. With that, I'm going to hand over the stage to Anshu to introduce to us the next group who are going to be performing.